Okay, let's start out just by talking about getting back into the Dow. Huge news. We all looked at the changes in the Dow, and sometimes they can be a little surprising and confounding. I think this one in particular made sense. Not only are you a huge company that touches just about every area of the economy, everything from manufacturing, from defense to aerospace to healthcare and beyond, you also are a company that has been very focused on technology. And that's one of the things that the S&P Group said when they were making these changes, is that they want to make sure that there is full reflection of the technology that's being used in the country today. Did you hear anything from them about why you were chosen, and what did you think when you did hear?
No, I didn't hear a thing. I mean, this was sort of great news for the company, but I heard about it the same time all of you did. I literally had a little message come across my phone saying, Honeywell rejoins the Dow. And what's exciting for us is, we left the Dow, or were thrown out of the Dow in 2008. So it's great to be back. But it's a thrill for all of us here as part of Honeywell, because what Honeywell really represents, and our longevity, what represents is we're a technology company that serves the industrial space. So there are companies that are technology companies that serve the consumer space, and usually get a lot more of the press. But we're a bit of an equivalent to that, except that we serve industrial customers. And it's a tremendous recognition for the company, its relevance in the world, the kinds of innovations it's brought over the decades that it's been a part of the world, whether it's the catalytic converter, whether it's safe landing systems, whether it's the most environmentally friendly refrigerant molecule. And we're going to continue to innovate, continue to serve our customers, and play across a number of different verticals. But what really differentiates us is the agility and the ability to transform ourselves and stay relevant.
Your stock was up by 10.8% for the month of August. A lot of people were pointing on the idea that you are being re-included in the Dow, and that means some companies or some people who are indexing will have to be buying more shares of Honeywell. What do you think when people tell you that?
I think there was a little bit of an impact of that, but I think we took a pretty big hit. And I think some of our investors still don't really understand who we are and what we do, because some of our markets that we're in, they'll be up, they'll be down, and so on. But we're going to continue to innovate. We're going to continue to stay agile. We're going to continue to bring innovative products to the marketplace. And frankly, if there are industries that no longer feel like a Honeywell industry, we're going to exit them. So I think people get a little bit over-focused on what industries we currently serve, rather than focus on the fact that we're an innovation company and that whatever industries we do serve will have some gyrations, and we kind of had a pretty wide spectrum in terms of our business performance. Our biggest business happens to serve the aerospace industry, which, although it's having a tough time now, I'm certain it's going to come back. And then we have, at the other end of the spectrum, we serve the warehouse automation segment, where frankly, we can't hire people fast enough. And, we're seeing strong double-digit growth across that business. So we saw the full spectrum in terms of, segments of the economy that are doing well and segments that are doing a little bit less well. But, we don't lose a lot of sleep over what any specific end market is doing, because we're going to continue to innovate and do well over the long term.